Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to discuss how to reset the maintenance reminder light on a Toyota Tacoma. Now, I just did an oil change tonight. I'm sitting with 15,176 miles. If you follow my channel, you know I do oil changes every 5,000 miles instead of 10,000 miles. I just think that's the proper way to do it. I've never heard of a vehicle breaking down and having problems because of too much clean oil. Just saying. So, this is what you do. We're not at 5,000 miles just yet. That's why the maintenance reminder isn't steady on. But this is what you do. You go to settings. You go to maintenance reset. Do you want to reset your maintenance reminder? Yes. Maintenance reset complete. And that's that. If you happen to be above 5,000 miles, this will get rid of that reminder and that light on the dash. And that's it. Short and sweet video for you today. Then I still usually put the reminder on the windshield, but the dash will likely remind you in about 4,500 miles anyways. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys next week.